The towing business is a challenging business. As an owner, you know those challenges well. Hazardous working conditions, high costs of equipment, maintenance, insurances, and increasing overhead expenses. At Mobile Road Service Solutions, we'll save you money, lots of money. Introducing the Transit Battery Van, a more efficient, cost-effective alternative to the traditional utility truck. It comes fully equipped with the same service tools larger utility vehicles carry, but it also has advantages they can't match. The Transit keeps more money in your pocket, starting with a purchase price $10,000 less than the cost of a traditional utility truck. And it just gets better. On average, utility trucks spend $1,600 a month on fuel, while fueling the Transit costs half that amount. So in your first year, you can be looking at a $20,000 savings. And don't forget regular maintenance costs. You'll save there too, because tires, filters, oil, brakes all cost less to replace, leaving more money available to invest in other areas of your business. The Transit offers superior visibility and is easier to drive, with better maneuverability in hard-to-access spaces like parking garages. Equipment is kept inside the van, safe from exposure to the elements, and is reachable from any side of the vehicle. And that means you always have a safe side to work from. And because there's no pickup bed, the van's entire exterior makes a great mobile billboard to advertise your business. So if you're ready to expand your business or replace your utility vehicle, let us help you make the very best choice.